Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make summer ice cream. So let's get into the ingredients that you'll need. You'll be needing a strawberry, 2 marshmallows that look like lemon, and you'll need some goldfish. Those cookie fish is not a real fish. And you'll need some sprinkles, a little bit. You'll need some ice cream. Vanilla ice cream I suggest, or you can use any kind of summery color ice cream if you want. You'll need a glass full of ice cream, and you'll need a knife and a knife. So now let's start making it. Okay, so let's start with cutting the strawberry. You can cut this however you want. I want mine to be in really tiny pieces because I don't like clumps in my ice cream. Although I'm still going to be putting the fish. That'll be really good. Now that I have this, I'm going to grab my cup, grab my ice cream like this, and I'm going to grab a big spoon. But if you just took your ice cream out, it's going to be a bit cold, so I suggest you put some hot water on it. So I'm going to go do that right now. Okay guys, so I got the ice cream ready. And now we're going to add on the toppings. So now you guys must be wondering, what are the marshmallows for? So we're going to be thinking these are like suns. So I'm going to connect these together like this. And we're going to put them in. And you have a little sun. Or you can just add it like this, make like a sunset. Because what we're going to be doing is that we're going to make it like it's the ocean. So that's why we have little fishies. We're going to put it like this. Like that, to make it look like they're swimming. And you guys can use any kind of flavor you want. I'm using the cupcake one. Which one do you guys prefer? And last one. There you go, but we're not done yet. We gotta add the strawberries. I'm gonna add these in the sides. Maybe they're gonna be like little plants. Do you guys like strawberries? Strawberries are one of my favorite fruits. If you guys don't like strawberries, then add any kind of berries that you think could look like little plants. And there you go. Here we have our little summer ice cream. But we're still not done because we gotta add some sprinkles to make it look like the rocks are in seas. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them on like that. Ta-da! That's all done. I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a better view. Here it is, guys. Isn't this wonderful? It looks so good. But now we gotta try it. Okay, so here we are. I'm super excited. It's so good, guys. It's amazing. I love the crunch and all the strawberries, and it looks really beautiful too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, that bell button to get notified, and that like button. I will see you guys on next time. Bye-bye.